Good afternoon from a sunny Netherlands. A bit cloudy, but
White and blue sky.
yeah, 20 degrees, something like that. And a beautiful BMW, white and blue, and it's an R100RS. And this is a very special bike because it's built up completely new. Engine, everything is brand new. It's the most beautiful BMW R100RS we have had in ever. And it runs like a new one. I think it's from 1987. One of the latest models. And the color is beautiful. The bike has German papers. And you can see on the pictures, it is brand new. The owner asked us for help to sell the bike because he just doesn't want to do it himself. He has a nice company, and this bike is built by a BMW specialist. I think there are a couple of hundred pictures of the complete rebuild. So it's a very interesting bike. Price is €13,500, and it's more than a normal one, but it's new. So you can lose money on this one. You can have a lot of fun with this bike. You can drive it for 10 years or more without any problems. It sounds perfect. Yeah, and the color is it's so nice. It's parlemoer. Yeah, parlemoer is the Dutch word, but so 74,514 in totally made with this bike, but after restoration a couple of 100 kilometers only. And you can see in every detail it's like new. It's never seen this before. Completely new. See? Look at the exhaust. Everything is new. Even the yellow dots are on it. The wheels, the tires. Not one fly on. Not one fly on it. Oh. Yeah. And in reality the bike is even more beautiful. And it runs. Yeah, you can see it, you can hear it like a new one. The BMW R100RS. Mirrors. What a beauty. So if you're interested in this bike, contact us, and we ship worldwide. We can make you an offer for delivery. No problem at all. You can visit us in the Netherlands if you want to see the bike yourself, or you can schedule a video call. We can show you the bike in every detail. But the pictures on the website, well, you can see it's even better. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe. A lot of other videos will follow, and visit the website vintagemotorcycles.nl. Thank you, bye bye.